If you use Google Drive on Mac, you know how frustrating it is to work with files in Finder. So if you try to open a Google file, it always opens in Google Chrome like that. Now it's difficult, you can't find that Google Doc here, it's only in Chrome. So I'll show you how you can actually open files like this. So Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, directly in its own Google desktop app. So stick around and find out. All right, so like I showed you, if you have Google Drive, right, you're syncing, I have 2 accounts even, and you're trying to really work with these files from Finder because that's where all your files are. You don't want to work in the web. And one of the big benefits, you can switch around like this, but you can't quickly switch to your files, right? In Finder, you can, right? Just with Command Tab. So the way it should work, which this is missing its icon, but this is a G Sheet, right? A Google Sheet. So the way it should be is that when you open this, it actually opens, as you see here, in the Google Sheets desktop app. So it doesn't open the file immediately, but it does open it in its own app. So right there, Sheets, this is it. And you just have to click on it one more time. But this way, you're now in Sheets. You can switch between Chrome and Sheets or Docs or Slides, whatever you had, and put them side by side. It's just much more convenient and efficient. So I'll show you kind of in 2 steps what you need to do to get this set up. All right, so the first step is actually getting the Google desktop apps on your Mac. So that's not only in Chrome. If you click here, let me show you how to get here. First of all, you need to have the bookmark tab enabled. So if you don't have that, just go to this menu and let's go bookmarks and lists, and then click show bookmarks bar, okay, or shift command B. So once you have that, you want to get this apps tab here. To do that, you can right click on your bookmarks bar and click and checkmark show apps shortcut. So now I have this, and you can see which desktop apps I have installed. Now, as you see why Sheets open in this app is because I have it installed, but the Google Doc did not. So what we want to go ahead and do, you just want to go to that website, so docs.google.com, right? If you're trying to do Sheets, it'll just be, sheets.google.com or slides.google.com. So I need the Docs one right now. I'll just let it open, then you go to the Chrome menu at the top right, and they just updated Chrome. Before it used to be more tools, create shortcuts, but now it's save and share, and then you do create shortcuts. So just name this as Docs, and you want to check mark this as open as window, but I'll also show you in case you forgot to do that, what to do. So I'll just leave it as Docs, create. Okay, so right away, it actually opens Finder and shows you where this is saved. And I'll show you how to navigate here, but it's under your Macintosh HD, usually your hard drive, that's usually what it's named, users, your username, application, Chrome apps, and all of them will be here. Okay, so now then go back to Google Chrome and let's open a new tab so we can see our bookmarks bar. Let's go to apps. Now, if for some reason you don't have a check mark to open a new window, you can just right click on this and open a new window, right? Okay, so now when I click on Docs, it opens in its own window. And as you see, when I click Command Tab, it's its own app. Okay, so now if we go back to open this document, it's actually still not going to open in Google Docs. And for some reason, we lost our icon there right now. I think because I had to delete and reinstall this app. But anyways, the icon should be there. But if we try to open Google Doc, this Google Doc, you'll notice it again opens in Chrome. Okay, so the next step is secondary click on this or right click and then go to get info, or you can just do Command I and you'll get this little pop-up. Okay, so you want to go here where it says open with, select other, then change this where it says enable, change to all applications. So by default, it's in your main applications folder and you might have it here. It might be called Google Doc, but actually it doesn't have it here right now. It might be there in restart. If you don't, this is where you go to your main hard drive location on your Mac, usually called Mac HD or Macintosh HD. Go to users, your user, applications, and then Chrome apps. So now here you see we have all the different sheets or slides. In this case, we're changing the default app for this file type, which is a Google Doc. So we select Doc, click Add, all right, and then you want to click Change All. So for all these file types that end with GDoc, okay, so we click Continue, Close, and now when I open this Google Doc, bam, there it is. So we have our desktop Google app here that open, and we just have to click, it'll be right on top, The last document open will always be right on top, and now it opens in its own window, right? We can switch between Chrome and whatever else we're working on quickly to our Google Doc. So you would just repeat the same process, for Google Sheet, which I already have established, but you would do the same thing for Google Sheets and Google Slides if you wanted to open in its own desktop app. Please hit the like button if you learned something new and subscribe. I'll be making more videos like this. Technical pro user, especially if you're using this for your business, is going to be super helpful and efficient for you. Put your comments in the comment section below. I didn't try this on Windows. It probably is similar. Let me know if that works out. And thanks for watching. Take care.